Mother's Day is less than 3 weeks away, but honestly, you shouldn't be focused on that right now. What you should be thinking about is June 15th. If that date doesn't ring a bell, that's Father's Day. And it explodes just as much as Mother's Day online, sometimes even more. See, Etsy has more female shoppers than male, which means women are flocking to Etsy to buy gifts for the men in their life. And that puts you at a major advantage if you start right now. So with that said, I found a product that's already blowing up on Etsy. This has over 150 sales in the last 30 days and over 400 in the past 3 months. And the crazy part is, it's only been listed for 4 months. Now I know what some of you may be thinking. Maybe that's just luck. Cool. But here's another one. This one's been on Etsy for 16 months, has over 3,400 sales, and their price point is higher than that first one. So let's break this down real quick. The first company is selling their hat at $25.35, including shipping. The second, it's on sale for $35.69. That means the first one has grossed over $10,000 in just 4 months, and that second one over $120,000 in 16. And using Everbee, you can see the sales trend is consistent over the last 90 days. But if we zoom out 12 months, there's a major spike in May and June for Father's Day, and a second spike in December for the holidays. So yeah, the time to list this is right now. And I want you to stop thinking about it and wasting time deciding, hey, should I do this or not? So let's just jump right into Printify and make one together. Launching Printify, you're gonna see a hat style that might look a little different from the examples I just showed you, but it's still the same. Same concept, same look. The base cost is $9.02, shipping $5.29, making the total cost $14.31. Now, if you sell it at $29, you're looking at over a 50% profit. If you do the math, it's a pretty solid win. Now, the company that fulfills this is Fancy Fanny, which is a great supplier, plus a pretty funny name. They're rated at 8.9 overall. Production speed and shipping, excellent. The quality, 8.7, which, let's be real, is probably because of a few cranky reviewers. Because we all know people are more likely to leave a bad review than a good one. So let's hit start designing and do this. So once you have everything loaded, you can select the different variations. So if you go through here, you can select this, white and brown, white and pink. You can see exactly what it looks like. And when you type in whatever message you want, so dad, grandpa, papa, it'll stay on there, and you can adjust the colors depending on what patch is on there, which is great for a visual to see this. So let's just go with white and black, all right? And in here, all you have to do is just type this text. We'll put this text right here, and you write dad, okay? From there, just change that font, and now it is white. Make it a little bigger, put it in the center, and there you go. You can select each and every single one. Like I said before, as I change this, you can see what it looks like on every single color. And the great thing is, you can launch all these at once. Now, one thing that you could do at Printify, which is amazing, is add personalization. So say if you didn't want dad, say if you wanted somebody's name, okay? So in that case, right, we're gonna just delete this. You can go right here to personalize, do that. And then right here, type in George, okay? From there, we're just gonna make this white, and we're gonna make this a little bigger. And now you can add that option of personalization right on your Etsy listing. So when somebody types in their name or whatever saying that they want on this hat, it'll automatically transition into Printify and update that accordingly. So you don't have to do it as a manual process. You won't have to go in there and actually rewrite it yourself. Whatever they type in there will replace what's in here. This speeds up the entire process. Now, it all depends on if you want to do names or if you want to add little funny sayings. The customer would be able to add whatever they wanted. That's how the personalization option works. Now, in this case, if you didn't want to have the personalization and you just wanted to have just regular sayings with different variations, then that's what you would go with, is just adding dad, papa, grandpa, so on and so forth, and just add those as different variations. One that you could even add is Poppy, which I know that Leslie will get a kick out of that, especially on our live that we did on Everbee. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you do. You'll definitely get a few kicks out of that. Now just put this in here, make this big, put that right there in the center, and let's preview it and see what it looks like. So with this, these mockups, there's not that many, so you're gonna have to add your own mockups or order samples and take pictures yourself. But this would be great for a second or third picture inside your listing that at least shows what it would look like. Now, once you're happy with it, you hit save and then you fill out your information and launch it on your Etsy store. Now, one thing before continuing on to the Etsy store and listing things, if you notice this right here is new with Printify. It's to help you understand what you're launching and push your products a little bit more, right? So improve your product description, then maximize your profits, then upload your own mockups. It's literally bringing you through that entire thing. So, generating your description, what you'll do is you'll add your own information in there and then generate, and then it's going to use AI to generate that description for you. Then from there, maximizing your profits is to help you with your margins so that you can ensure that you're getting the proper margins and to make as much money as possible. And then from there, upload your own mockups because obviously they want you to stand out in a crowd. The more you can have your item be seen and stop somebody from scrolling, the more money you will make. So this little bar is very helpful to always get you on track and keep you on track. So do not neglect these steps. Once your design is ready, you just add your title, description, tags, and mockups. Remember to use mockups that grab people's attention. You want to separate yourself from your competition. Now, if you're not sure how to optimize your listing or make something that stands out in search, then check out my other videos. I walk you through all the steps, how to get clicks, favorites, and sales consistently. And don't forget to join my free school community where we go even deeper into SEO strategies, audience targeting, and how to build a shop that just prints you money. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.